Hi, I'm Dr. Tabile from the Blue Clinic. Today we're measuring our penis size. Why do we need to measure our penis size? Important reason so that we'll be able to choose the correct size condoms. Condoms come in different sizes. We know we have an average size condom that most people will fit into, but we know there are extremes, people that need a smaller size condom and a large size condom. And different brand condoms actually come in different sizes. So it's very important to always familiarize yourself with the brand that you're using and know the values that they use. You can easily get that on the internet. So when you're measuring your penile size, you need a measuring tape. Some people actually prefer a ruler. I generally prefer a measuring tape because it starts exactly at 1 centimeter, while the ruler has this 0. I think it's about 7 or 8 centimeters, and that seems like a small number, but it can make a huge difference when it comes to penile length because every millimeter here counts. Okay, so when we're doing our when we're doing our penis size measurements, you need to have a fully erect penis. Most people will generally prefer to do it in the morning when they just have their morning wood. When they have their morning wood, since it's not for sexual function, so it makes it easy and not awkward to people who might find it awkward to measure their penis size. So using the centimeter size, on the reason I use centimeter size is that most of our locally manufactured products use centimeters, but if you're comfortable with inches, I know they confuse me, you can use inches. So starting from the base, fully erect penis, and you use the plane that you can see. You measure from the plane that you can see. So you measure it from yourself, away from yourself. So in this case here's the side that we can see. So you start from the base of the penis. When you start from the base of the penis, you just push your tape until you feel resistance against the bone, making sure that you push the subcutaneous fat and the skin. So I generally put something on top because it just makes it easier to measure. So after putting at the base, you go all the way to the top. Then you get your reading, and this penis is 8.1 centimeters in length. Another important reading, when you're still fully erected mid-shaft, you take a measuring tape, go around the penis midway through the penis, and just just make sure it's comfortable. Don't squeeze on the penis. Don't squeeze on the penis. So our reading here is 11.2 centimeters. So we know this penis is 18.1 by 11.2 centimeters. So depending on what brand we're going to use, we can go through the internet, checking the brand that we're using, check what size do we need to use for this particular penis. Thank you.